Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to upload a video on Pinterest using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Pinterest application. And now, just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen and click on Idea Pin. So now, just go ahead and choose the video that you want to upload. You can choose multiple videos, but in this tutorial, I'm just gonna choose one video. So now, click on the next button at the upper right corner of your screen. And here you can edit your video. After you've done that, go ahead and click on the next button at the upper right corner of your screen. And now just go ahead and put your title, add details, and then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on publish. So now that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.